You should receive 4 support bars, 6 numbered poles for the larger ring, 5 numbered poles for the smaller ring, suspension cables, 1 halo slipcover. Step 1. To form the smaller ring, grab the 5 poles of the same length and match the ends together with the corresponding numbers at the end of another pole. Connect with the spring button. This should create a complete circle. Step 2. Complete the larger ring using the same method. The larger ring will have 6 poles total to connect. Step 3. Find the holes on the larger ring and align them with the holes on the smaller ring. Step 4. Begin by taking a support bar and connecting it to the smaller ring first. Again, match the support bar to the corresponding number on the holes and ensure the eye loops are facing inside the circle. Repeat for the last 3 support beams. There are 4 total. Step 5. Flip the smaller ring over with the support beams facing up. Finish screwing the support beams into the larger ring at the corresponding holes. Step 6. Lay out the halo fabric sleeve inside the rings. At this point, the smaller ring should be on the bottom and the larger ring at the top. Unzip the cover and spread out under the halo. The red side will be on the outside of the rings. Pull both sides up and over the halo to connect at the zipper. Zip up the sleeve all the way around. Step 8. Fit the slits on the inside of the halo cover, the white side, over the eye loops from the support bars. This is where the suspension cables will be connected. Step 9. Take the suspension hooks and connect the U-bolts to the eye loops on the support beams. Connect all 4.